song's for Kyle.
Don't dedicate him a song. Just encourage him. Bad. Fine, this is a song to speed things up a little. It's called Kiss the Skagabop. Waiter, the world's on fire, but even worse, this stays too dry. It's time to kiss the world goodbye if you care not to get too high. Wait, waiter, there's a whore in my dirt. She looks so pretty dead, and I'm spilling my gun. All the cut stopped, all the cheap little thrills the victims all got when they fiddle their pill. Guns are blazing, the sky's falling, the city's burning to the ground. I can't help but laugh and know the blowtorch eyes. I look at heaven fall hellbound. Grandma, no need to hide. I sure never guess who just died. It was an Uncle Incest, but his daughter did. Spanked to death, oh boy, don't misbehave. Sister, who's your new mister? Saw him with your best friend, passionately fucked her. There's old Uncle Incest walking down the aisle. My brother's a bride with a twisted old smile. Guns are blazing, the sky's falling, the city's burning to the ground. I can't help but laugh and hold the blowtorch high. I look at heaven for hellbound. It's time to kiss the sky goodbye. You can't stop me now, so don't even try. Time to kiss the sky goodbye. You can't stop me now, so don't even try. Guns are blazing, the sky is falling, the city's burning to the ground. I can't help but laugh and hold the blowtorch eyes. I look at heaven fall hellbound. I look at heaven fall hellbound. I look at heaven fall hellbound. Look at heaven fall